case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2009 case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit, the court explored the idea of due process protections in relation to disciplinary segregation in the prison system. The case, Marion v. Columbia Correctional Institution, began after Inmate War Marion alleged that his rights were violated during a disciplinary hearing, which resulted in him being placed in segregation for 240 days, following an incident with his cellmate. Marion claimed that the conditions during his confinement were severe, and he did not receive proper procedural protection. The lower court, however, dismissed his complaint. Marion persisted, filing a motion for reconsideration and later an appeal, arguing that both his due process and equal protection rights were violated. Addressing the appeal, the court instructed both parties to consider whether the 240-day segregation constituted an atypical and significant hardship that would implicate a liberty interest. Ultimately, the court ruled that if the conditions of confinement were indeed severe, the duration of Marion's segregation was long enough to warrant a liberty interest, thereby granting him further proceedings. The Court of Appeals reversed the dismissal of Marion's due process claim. It concluded that determining whether a liberty interest had been implicated required a thorough analysis of the actual conditions of his confinement. The case was subsequently remanded to the district court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.